Welcome back. Well, today was another day with temperatures in the mid 80s, and say goodbye to the 80s, and we're going to flash back to the 60s and maybe some of the 50s as we go through the weekend and much of next week as well. In fact, I don't see 80s coming back again for at least a couple of weeks if they do indeed come back. So let's take a look at the big picture here, because we're setting the stage not only for the next weather system, but the pattern that we're going to see into the winter. An increasingly more active subtropical jet stream. It's got equatorial origin. It's moving across the center part of the U.S., and this is going to be shifting eastward over us. It's going to be southwest oriented, and that usually means days of cloud cover and some wet weather systems as well. And that's what we see as this upper trough of the west begins to move east, and high pressure breaking down in the Gulf and also pushing off to the east. So the big picture, it's winter up across the high plains and near the northeast up through northern New England. Meanwhile, you can see the rain busting out across Texas. Our frontal boundary is roughly right here, so all the rain is behind the front here, and that's what we expect when the front pushes on through here later on tonight. The rain developing as we get closer to daybreak tomorrow, and periods of rain, light rain mostly, drizzle, mist. There's going to be some precipitation coming out of the sky, but it's not going to be kind of a washout scenario. You can work with it. It'll be light rain, but we're not expecting any heavy rainfall going into the weekend. Power Doppler 3 here, Acadiana's only Doppler radar, showing up some light precip now across the northwestern parishes of the region, from Vernon up into Rapides Parish, and points to the north and east, and that will continue to move northeastward. That front pushing on through Lafayette about 2 a.m., give or take a couple of hours, probably 4 to 5 or 6 a.m. as we get closer to St. Mary Parish, and it's going to be breezy and cooler behind it. Notice the model not pointing at a whole lot of green across the area, but these overrunning conditions, you almost always have persistent mist, some drizzle, and we'll have patches of rain more than likely. And that's going to continue as we head not only to tomorrow night. Notice our temperatures stay in the 60s all day long, duck down maybe into the upper 50s, but that's where we stay Saturday with the cloud cover locked in, the cool temperatures locked in, and a breeze from the northeast, and some patchy light rain may continue. In fact, we think it's going to last for a good part of Saturday, not showing a whole lot here, but we'll likely see it going into Sunday as well. Although rain chances look to diminish Sunday, maybe a peak of the sun Sunday afternoon, but another weather system coming in early next week. Notice here's the graph model. Rainfall through 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon. Not much, 1/10 of an inch or less for most spots, but we'll say 1/10, maybe 1/4 inch of rain, enough to wet the ground. And the Euro kind of is in the same realm, but notice the hot spots back to the west. We're going to get another weather system that comes in Monday into Tuesday, and that promises to bring several inches of rain. Look at the rain totals over the next 7 days. Just, I mean, you can't hold this for ground truth, but almost 4 inches in Lafayette, over 4 inches New Iberia, the same in Baton Rouge, 3 inches in Lake Charles. Remember the GFS yesterday I was saying, and the day before it was all in the Gulf? Well, that story has changed as well. And look at the model consistency. 3 inches Lake Charles, near 4 in Lafayette, the same in New Iberia, Baton Rouge. So there's going to be more than likely a pretty healthy soaking on the way as we get into early next week. Temperatures mid-60s tonight, so it's going to be nice and mild for your overnight low. In fact, Ragin' Cajun game, 74 degrees for the game start at 6:30, and temperatures pretty much hold in the lower 70s throughout the evening. Light winds. I don't think we're going to see any precipitation. There might be a light sprinkle in some of those clouds, but should be dry for the game. Overnight tonight, we're looking at 66 the low for Lafayette. The last of the mild evenings for a while with light and variable winds, but they'll turn north well after midnight, and showers developing by daybreak at 30 to 40%. Tomorrow we'll keep rain chance at about 60%, primarily periods of light rain, drizzle, and mist into the afternoon and evening hours. So not a big soaking ahead as we move into the weekend, but we do have pretty high rain chances for Saturday. We break it off on Sunday, and then we move into Monday and give you a quick look at the Euro model here. Here comes low pressure with a good soaking across Louisiana, quite possible with this area of low pressure. That's Monday into Tuesday, and then there'll still be lingering light rain showers into Wednesday. clouds persist for the next week or 8 days, and hopefully by next weekend we'll see the return of some sunshine and seasonable temperatures. But in the near term, get ready for plenty of clouds and dreary conditions as we head through the Veterans Day weekend and into next week, with those soaking rains possible early next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.